gotta ask us a question first.
Oh.
I mean, that's how it works. I mean, it's just, you know, you can't just look at it. We can't read your mind.
Oh,
Just the future.
Oh, yeah.
Just the future.
Okay.
We are the oracle.
Alright, so, okay, am I gonna get that promotion at work?
You
May not
get
the promotion
at
all.
That's fair, it's probably because I just haven't worked hard enough, I get it, it's fine, that makes sense, you can't just make things happen, you have to put some effort into it, that makes sense, alright? Alright, alright, am I gonna find that, that treasure, because I found that map, but am I actually gonna find the treasure at the end of that map? Because I've been looking forever.
that
Is probably
not
going to
happen
today or
tomorrow.
but you
May.
find it. Sorry guys. That's why they call me the chatty Cathy's of the world.
Now we gotta start over.
Find
It in
the secret
spot.
I've been looking for the secret spot. The map is not very helpful. It's not leading.
Just ask us where the secret spot is.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's not that hard.
Where is the secret spot?
The
vagina.
exclamation point.
Exclamation points.
So there's
emoji.
So there's a treasure map with like dotted lines through a beach, around a tree, and there's an X. There's a vagina there, is what you're saying. All right. Well,
You didn't shake it up first. You didn't hit the button. You asked this question, but you didn't follow through.
Well, that was more of a hypothetical.
Worded as a
It was more of
question,
like
it
it was really just a
statement.
hypothetical question.
Yeah.
Statement.
We didn't
I
have
wasn't
to
really looking
Oh,
for
we
an
don't have to
answer.
answer that. But listen.
I was just
All right.
really just
At
not
least
thinking
I'm
out loud. I wasn't really looking like fuck. What's 1 plus 1? Fuck it. I don't know.
2.
Question.
Exclamation.
All right. What is the meaning of life? Aha.
The
Vagina.